Okay, here's 6105 Alpha on Leicester. These are multiplexes or duplexes, and there's plenty of yard space and parking on the street. We're walking distance to Leicester Middle School. This is a company grade 4-bedroom. Sometimes field grade end up in here, but this is usually a company grade 4-bedroom unit. Side by side. Again, plenty of parking and yard space and playgrounds for kids. And one of the gems of Okinawa, because you are proximity to American Village, walking distance. Here we go. This is the laundry room. Plenty of space, air conditioner. Kitchen. Stove, dishwasher, plenty of counter space. Big either eating kitchen area here or living room space and dining room. There's the stairs going up. Out back is Hi, Miss Domerad, how are you?
Oh,
what are you maintaining 2 houses? Okay, now I got leverage on you. Yeah. Yeah. And going upstairs. Prepping the house here. Here's the floors, they're durable. 1 bedroom, plenty of space and closet space. And carpeting in here, which is nice, I think. And a 3rd bedroom over here, which looks like could be the master. They're doing some work in here.
No. You don't have to let me in. No, I work for houses. I am in houses.
And they're fixing up the bathroom a little bit. There's a full bathroom.
Yeah.
Konnichiwa.
No,
And here's the 4th bedroom. Okay, so that's Leicester company grade 4-bedroom. Company grade 4 bedrooms are hard to get, but this is a good unit. There's some also over on Plaza, and you saw very few over in Kashaba on Foster. Again, this is one of the great locations on Okinawa.
Without finish.